Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Oh Meow Easy English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. It's great to see you all tuning in again.
Yes, absolutely. Today's episode is going to be a warm and meaningful one because we're diving into a topic that connects us all, feelings.
That's right, feelings. Everyone has them. Happy, sad, angry, tired, you name it. And learning how to talk about your feelings in English is a powerful step in becoming more fluent and confident.
Totally. Before we get started, just a small reminder, if you enjoy learning English with us, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends. It helps our channel grow and keeps our community learning together.
And don't forget to comment below. Tell us how you feel today.
Exactly. Okay, Daniel, let's begin with the big question. Why is it so important to talk about our feelings?
That's a great place to start, Emma. Sometimes people think keeping emotions inside makes them stronger, but it's actually the opposite. Talking about how we feel helps our mental health. It's like opening a window and letting some fresh air in.
I love that image. When we express our emotions, we let others understand us better. It helps avoid misunderstandings and builds stronger relationships.
Exactly. If I tell you, I'm feeling really happy today, you immediately know my mood and can connect with me better.
Right. And if someone says, I'm feeling down today, that invites empathy and care. A friend might respond, I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it?
So, expressing our emotions is not only good for ourselves, but also for our relationships.
Absolutely. It helps us build little bridges between people, and those bridges lead to better understanding and stronger bonds.
Okay, let's start with some simple words that describe feelings. These are ones you'll hear every day in English.
Perfect. The first one, happy. Everyone loves this one. When you smile or laugh, you're happy.
Like me right now. I'm happy to be here with you, Daniel.
Aw, same here, Emma. Next, sad. This is when you feel unhappy or down. Maybe your plans were canceled or it rained all day.
Yeah. Or when your favorite TV show ends, that can make you feel sad too.
Yeah. Then we have angry. This is when you feel upset or frustrated, maybe even a little hot inside, like when you miss the bus or someone cuts in line.
Oh, I hate when that happens. You just want to shout, right?
Exactly, but deep breaths help.
Another one is tired. When you've had a long day or didn't sleep enough, you feel tired.
That's me after recording 5 podcasts in a row.
Haha. And then there's excited when you're looking forward to something amazing, like a trip or a big concert.
I love that one. You can almost feel the energy in your body.
Totally. And sometimes we feel scared when something frightens us, like hearing strange noises at night or watching a horror movie.
Oh, I still get nervous sometimes before recording, but after a few minutes, it goes away.
Same here. It's completely normal.
Okay, now here's something English learners often ask. What's the difference between I feel and I am?
Great question. The short answer, both are correct. You can say I feel happy or I am happy.
I feel focuses on your current emotion. I am is more general, like describing your state.
So you can say I feel tired or I am tired. Either works.
Don't stress too much about it. Just pick one and use it. The key is to practice.
Let's go beyond the basics now.
Yes, because emotions aren't just happy or sad. There are so many shades in between.
First one, frustrated. That's when you're trying hard to do something, but it's not working.
Like when your computer freezes while you're doing homework.
Oh, that's the worst. Then we have overwhelmed. This is when you have too much to do or think about and your brain feels full.
Students feel that all the time. Too much homework, too little sleep.
Exactly. Then there's anxious. It's similar to nervous but stronger. It's when you keep worrying about something that hasn't even happened yet.
Oh, yes. Like before a big interview or presentation, you might feel your heart beating faster.
Next, proud. That's a positive one. When you accomplish something or someone close to you does, you feel proud.
Like when you pass an exam or finish a project, you think, wow, I did that.
Then we have lonely. That's when you feel alone, even if people are around.
Everyone feels that way sometimes, and that's okay. It's part of being human.
Right. And confident when you believe in yourself and your abilities.
Like raising your hand in class because you know the answer.
And finally, disappointed when something doesn't go as you hoped.
Like when your favorite team loses or your friend cancels plans.
Sometimes we want to describe how much we feel something.
Yes, like the difference between a bit sad and completely devastated.
Exactly. A bit sad means just a little, like if your ice cream falls.
But completely devastated, that's very, very sad, like losing something important.
You can use words like a little, very, really, completely, or extremely to show the strength of a feeling.
It adds color to your sentences and helps express your emotions more clearly.
Ready for some idioms?
Always, idioms make English sound natural and fun.
First one, I'm on cloud 9. It means you're extremely happy.
Like, I just got my dream job. I'm on cloud 9.
Next, I'm feeling under the weather. That means you're feeling a bit sick.
Like, I can't go out tonight. I'm feeling under the weather.
Then we have walking on eggshells. It means being very careful not to upset someone.
Like when your boss is in a bad mood and you have to be extra polite.
Exactly. And it broke my heart. Something made you deeply sad.
When my cat ran away, it broke my heart. That's a tough one. So we've learned how to say our feelings, but how do we ask about someone else's?
Great question. The classic one is, how are you? But sometimes people just say, I'm fine.
If you want to show you care, ask, how are you really feeling?
Or, do you want to talk about it? When someone seems upset.
Another good one is something on your mind? It means you noticed they're thinking or worried about something.
These are gentle ways to show kindness and invite conversation.
And when someone shares their feelings, empathy is key.
Yes. You can say, that must be really hard. Or, I understand how you feel.
Or even, I'm here for you. That one's so powerful.
And don't forget to say thanks for sharing that with me. It shows you appreciate their trust.
Let's do a few real-life examples.
Okay. Imagine I had a terrible day at work. I could say, I'm feeling exhausted and a little frustrated. Everything went wrong today.
That's perfect. Or, I'm feeling overwhelmed. There's just too much on my plate.
Now, for excitement, I'm so excited about my trip next week. I can't wait.
Or, I'm on cloud 9 because my favorite band is coming to town.
And for sadness, I'm heartbroken that my best friend moved away.
Or, I'm disappointed we didn't win, but I'm still proud of how we tried.
Great examples. These help make your English emotional and real.
Let's talk about emotions in professional settings. It's tricky, but important.
Yes, you can say, I'm feeling burned out when you're extremely tired from work.
Burned out, like a candle that's run out of wax.
Exactly. Or, I need a short mental break, if you want to politely say you need rest.
These phrases sound professional, but still express emotion clearly.
Did you know that expressing emotions is different across cultures?
Oh, yes. In some cultures, people keep emotions private. In others, it's very normal to share openly.
In English-speaking cultures, being open about feelings is often seen as healthy and honest.
So when you learn to express feelings in English, you're not just learning words, you're learning culture.
Before we finish, let's share a few learning tips.
First, keep a feelings journal. Every day, write 1 or 2 sentences about how you feel.
Like, today I feel relaxed because I finished all my work.
Or, I'm feeling a bit nervous about tomorrow's meeting.
Second, describe your day using emotional language. Don't just say, it was good. Say, it was stressful at first, but later, I felt proud.
That's a great habit. The more you describe, the better your vocabulary becomes.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning. Every time you try, you improve.
Talking about feelings is not just about English, it's about understanding yourself and others.
Exactly. It's a journey of language and emotion.
We're so proud of you for taking this step.
Keep practicing, keep expressing, and keep learning.
Thank you for joining us today on Oh Meow Easy English.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell us in the comments, how are you feeling today?
We'd love to know.
Until next time, everyone, stay kind, stay curious, and keep learning.
Bye-bye.